Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I am going to show you how to adapt sound in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. After that go to hearing enhancements and here you can see adapt sound, then just tap here. Now by tapping here you can enable adapt sound in your phone and it's enabled successfully. Now if you tap on adapt sound for option, now here you can see three options: media and calls, only media and only calls, and you can set any option as you want, but I suggest you to set media and calls. Also at the bottom you can see three options: under 30 years old, 30 to 60 years old and over 60 years old, and you can set any option as you want. From here you can choose option according to your age. And that is how you can adapt sound in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.